Python Pandas Error tokenizing data. I'm trying to use Pandas to manipulate a CSV file, but I get this error. Pandas.parser.parser error tokenizing data. See error, expected 2 fields in line 3, saw 12. I have tried to read the Pandas docs, but found nothing. My code is simple. How can I resolve this? Should I use the CSV module or another language? File is from Morningstar.
You could also try. Do note that this will cause the offending lines to be skipped. If you don't expect many bad lines and want to, at least, know their amount and ids, use on_bad_lines equals warn. For advanced handling of bads, you can pass a callable edit for pandas is lower than 1.3.0 try. As per Pandas API reference.
It might be an issue with the delimiters in your data, the first row, as at Tom Oxberger noted. To solve it, try specifying the sep and/or header arguments when calling read_CSV. For instance, in the code above, sep defines your delimiter and header equals none tells pandas that your source data has no row for headers, column titles. Thus say at the docs, if file contains no header row, then you should explicitly pass header equals none. In this instance, Pandas automatically creates whole number indices for each field, 0, 1, 2. According to the docs, the delimiter thing should not be an issue. The docs say that if sep is none, not specified, we'll try to automatically determine this. I however have not had good luck with this, including instances with obvious delimiters. Another solution may be to try auto-detect the delimiter.
This is definitely an issue of delimiter, as most of the CSV are got create using sep =t, so try to read_CSV using the tab character. So, try to open using following code line.
The parser is getting confused by the header of the file. It reads the first row and infers the number of columns from that row. But the first 2 rows aren't representative of the actual data in the file. Try it with data equals pd.read_CSV path, skip rows equals 2.
I had this problem, where I was trying to read in a CSV without passing in column names. I specified the column names in a list beforehand and then passed them into names, and it solved it immediately. If you don't have set column names, you could just create as many placeholder names as the maximum number of columns that might be in your data.
You want to solve it out, please send it to subscribe.